I feel great actually to be selected, our film getting selected for the IFFI this year. It's a film on autism. It's a film made primarily to create awareness around this condition called autism and bust the misconceptions that surround this particular condition. That was the idea. And we are very honored that it got selected this year at the IFFI, so that this message can go to people far and wide, that whatever message we wanted to say through this film has reached many more audiences.
So can you tell more about your film?
Film.
What are your characters?
Okay. It's a non-feature film. It was primarily done on the life of 3 children, their lived realities, and interviews with parents, therapists, and special educators. The idea was to actually take their conversations forward to general public, so that these conversations are understood by people, the difficulties are understood by people, and these children are understood by people, so that they can be assimilated into our society, not as a different being, but as one amongst us. So even if you look at it as a title, we called it In Our World, which means like these children exist in our world. These people exist in our world. It is for us to show acceptance and love.
So what made you to do this story?
Actually my children learn piano from a teacher, and he came and told me that he teaches special children, and I wanted to understand the role of music in the lives of a special child. So hence this probed me, this curiosity made me probe deeper into the subject, and when I got to meet these parents and their children, I realized that there is much more to say. There is much more to tell the world. So hence it made me do this film.
What is the response about?
I would just talk about one response after the screening of the film. There was a parent of an autistic child, not a child, actually an older man, who came and met me. His son is 37 years old and he's autistic and he's working for Accenture. He came and told me that you did it right. Every single word said in the film was right. I experienced all of it throughout my life, and I think this message needs to go out to the world.